Now that your Viome test kit has arrived, what comes next? Your test kit has an ID code printed on the outside of the silver box and inside the instruction booklet. You'll use this code to register your kit online. Keep the instruction booklet with your kit ID printed on it for future reference. If household members are also using a Viome test kit, please be careful not to mix up your materials as they are specifically linked together. Your test kit is unique to you. Register your kit by visiting cancerdetect.viome.com/register in your web browser. Once your kit is registered, you will be prompted to create a Viome account. Each individual will need their own unique email address to create an account. Your test results will be released into your online web portal, so please make note of your Viome account username and password for future use. If you already have a Viome account, click on the login link if prompted to, or simply enter your kit ID to register your new kit. After your kit is registered and you have created your account, you will be asked to complete a series of questionnaires. Your questionnaire answers are required and essential for the lab to process your sample and release your results to you. Take your time and answer to the best of your ability. You are now ready to collect your sample.